Millions of cotton bales move through India's vast textile supply chain every year. But how do we guarantee their authenticity, origin, and quality? To replace paperwork with absolute trust, the Cotton Corporation of India partnered with C-DAC to build a game-changing solution. BITS, the blockchain-based cotton bale identification or tracking system. Traditionally, tracking cotton across gunning factories, warehouses and spinning mills was a logistical nightmare of fragmented manual logs. Leveraging C-DAC's deep tech expertise, BITS builds an indigenous, decentralized blockchain network. It creates an unalterable digital twin for every physical bale, ensuring entries are permanent, transparent, and completely tamper-proof. The process is seamless. First, every processed bale gets a unique 11-digit digital fingerprint. Second, this ID is embedded into a rugged, weatherproof QR code on the bale for instant scanning. Third, every ownership change or transit movement is cryptographically stamped onto the BITS blockchain. Fourth, buyers and manufacturers can instantly verify this unalterable history anywhere in the world using the BITS mobile app. BITS delivers absolute confidence to global markets. It acts as the technological backbone for India's premium certified brand Kasturi Cotton Bharat while integrating with CCI's CotBiz platform for fast, paperless e-auction. From the gunning factory to the textile mill, C-DAC and CCI are weaving technology into the fabric of Indian agriculture.